Are you ready to turn your love for skincare into serious cash? Let's talk about the UOG Skincare Influencer Program, the perfect way to earn big while sharing the glow. Meet UOG Skincare, a premium line crafted to transform your skin and your life. Combining cutting-edge science with nature's best ingredients, we've created formulas designed to hydrate, rejuvenate, and restore your natural glow. From our vitamin C face serum complex that lifts and firms to our eye serum complex that reduces dark circles and puffiness, UOG is trusted by skincare enthusiasts everywhere. These are results you can see and feel. Now, we're looking for passionate influencers like you to join the UOG journey. Share your love for skincare and get paid while doing it. It's simple. Promote UOG products using your unique affiliate link. Earn a big commission on every sale. Get free product samples to showcase to your audience. And with exclusive affiliate promotions and a supportive team by your side, you'll have everything you need to succeed. Whether you're an experienced influencer or just starting out, the UOG Influencer Program is your ticket to glowing skin and a growing bank account. Ready to join the UOG family and make good money while sharing the skincare you love? Click the link below to apply now. Let's create beauty and success together.